In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Novo Online for 2025. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, navigating the scheduling process can be a breeze with a little guidance. So, let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, we're going to begin by heading over to Novo's official website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in novo.co into the address bar. This will bring you straight to their homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen. You should see a navigation menu. In that menu, there's a section labeled Help Center, and that's exactly where you want to click next. Once you click on the Help Center, you'll find yourself in a section filled with all kinds of resources designed to support your journey with Novo. But what we're particularly interested in here is how to contact support directly. To ease this process, over to your right, you'll notice a search box. Type the word contact into this box. This will quickly filter the information available and guide you to the right place. After you've performed the search, there should be a relevant result titled, How do I contact Novo support? Go ahead and click on that option. This valuable resource outlines the specifics on how you can reach out to their support team, including their available hours, which is essential to ensure you're contacting them at the right time. Now, if chatting directly isn't your first preference and you'd rather explore further options, head back to Novo's homepage. Once there, begin scrolling down. Keep an eye out for the Contact Us hyperlink somewhere midway on the page. This is a pivotal step since it connects you to a wealth of information specifically for contacting Novo. Selecting this hyperlink will transition you to a new page dedicated exclusively to contact options. This page will present various email addresses for different types of inquiries. It's a great resource if you prefer written communication or need to address specific issues with the right department. It's worth mentioning that Novo primarily provides support through tickets and chats rather than traditional appointments. However, these interactions can be leveraged to arrange a dedicated time for more personalized assistance if necessary. Should you decide to write them an email, you can definitely propose a time to have a focused discussion or consultation tailored to your specific needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to engage with Novo online support. With this guide, navigating their scheduling options and securing the help you need should be as simple as following these steps. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to leave a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see.